One of the important relationships we gotta maintain at work is having a solid relationship with your boss, which we need to earn trust and respect from each other to have a very good positive work environment. In case if you worry whether your boss like you or not, there are some signs which will able you to understand whether your boss likes you or not. Here are some. You always get tough love from your boss. You will keep receiving so many feedbacks. Doesn't mean that he is criticizing you, but also he wants you to improve very well because he is much invested in your improvement. Plus, he also thinks that you are capable of handling constructive feedbacks. So, we should note that it's a very positive sign because the boss is very much interested in your career growth. And this is a tough one. Good managers don't always shower their best employees with praise, preferring to use compliments as a tool for encouraging the lesser performing individuals. If you're clear on what's expected of you and if you're keeping track of how well you're stacking up in the department, then it doesn't matter that your boss isn't constantly patting you on the back. And you make sure that you always get the real prize at the big moments. That's all it matters, right? And the most important thing is your boss doesn't think that you need to be reminded of your work every other day. Probably this one you're familiar with. Are you your boss first call, the first person he taps when something urgent or important needs to be done, or just an everyday file needs to be put out? If you're the go-to guy or girl, obviously you hold a high esteem in your boss' mind. And this one no one likes much because your boss will be constantly upping your responsibility level, but he won't be doing this with other employees whom he doesn't trust or think that they were up to this mark. But you have gotta take this as a compliment and keep working more. So your boss wants to test you or groom you and put you on tough assignments because he is simply challenging you. This may be a bit overwhelming, but still, it is good for you and a very good sign. You may not be happy or besties with your boss, and he may not go out of his way to check out whether you are doing well in your job, whether you're liking it or not. But trust me, when the situation comes, that when there is an important project or important client to be handled, or when there is an important budget to be worked on, you will be the first choice. When the stakes are high, you're the one who gets sent into the game, and he'll turn into you automatically. And this sign is a very big one, a very big trust sign, and you should feel very happy about it. Let's believe in the bosses who gives you negative comments on your face and praises you behind your back. Believe in positivity, stay strong, and be happy with what you have. And don't forget to share this video to your best boss, and let me know if you had come across any other signs in the comment section below. Thank you.